How long do I need to bake a fully cooked ham?
Hello everyone, and welcome to our culinary journey. Today we are going to delve into the nuances of reheating a fully cooked ham. There's nothing like a warm, juicy ham to complete your meal. Even though it's fully cooked, properly heating it can make all the difference. So, let's get started.
What does fully cooked mean?
The term, fully cooked, means the ham has been processed to a point where it's safe to eat without any additional cooking. However, most people prefer to heat it before serving. Remember that you're reheating, not re-cooking the ham. Your main goal is to warm it through to the desired temperature without drying it out.
How long do I need to bake a fully cooked ham?
The standard rule of thumb for reheating a fully cooked ham is about 10 to 15 minutes per pound at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius. If your ham is 5 pounds, that means you'll need to heat it for approximately 50 to 75 minutes. However, this can vary based on the exact temperature of your oven and the size of your ham. Use a meat thermometer to ensure that the internal temperature reaches 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius, which is the ideal serving temperature for a fully cooked ham.
Any tips for keeping the ham moist?
Absolutely. A great trick to keep your ham moist is by placing it cut side down in a baking dish and loosely covering it with foil. This helps retain its natural juices. You can also baste the ham every 20 minutes with its own juices or a glaze of your choice. This adds more flavor and prevents the outer layer from drying out. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can perfectly heat your fully cooked ham and have it juicy and delicious every time. Remember, patience is key, and using a meat thermometer will ensure you get the temperature just right. Happy cooking, and we hope this guide has been helpful in your culinary adventures.